So what's going on, guys? I really have to make this video. I got off the phone call with my mom about probably 5 minutes ago, and it's just really interesting how, you know, we really get wrapped up in like the news and politics and all these things that like on a really micro level to ourselves really don't matter much. And I really want to ask you this question, which is, over the past however years, you know, you've been on this earth, like, has the president really affected your well-being? Has it affected, you know, maybe your living situation, your happiness, your, you know, your overall well-being? Like, has it really? And I want you to think about it in a non-egotistical way, because we think about all the things that are, you know, happening in our world today, and it's like, what does it really have to do with you? You know, your voice has been heard. You can express your voice. You can vote. Like, you have so many freedoms, and I think we really take them for granted. It's like, in some countries, like, you can't walk outside and walk down the street, you know, without feeling some sort of like danger or violence. Like, we have so many freedoms in this country. I think we just really just take advantage of them, and we don't have enough gratitude for what we've been given. Like, we live in probably the best and most free country in the world. And we really let our views and like our ego get in the way of like what's really going on. And I'm not political at all. I'm just really tired of seeing people who are very uneducated in politics, first of all, and second of all, are not doing anything to change the world, and number three, are just simply bored and arrogant, trying to cast an opinion that has no fucking like context. And it's like, if we just all focus on ourselves more, we were just all, you know, more happier human beings, there would not be any care in the world, and we would, you know, not have to worry about things like this in our world. We would be a lot more happier, we'd be a lot more structured, and there wouldn't be so much shit happening. So it's like, what do you want to achieve? Okay, what makes you happy? And how are you gonna get there? Focus on those three things. Like, our country has set it up so that you can do whatever you want. You can start an online business tomorrow. You can walk down the street, go to the grocery store without feeling threatened. Like, you have so many freedoms, and you don't really realize this. I really want you to self-reflect on this video and think about that the next time you start having some political argument with somebody. Like, does it really matter?